फोकस करेंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू फोकस अगेन ऑन अवेलेबिलिटी जोन एंड रीजन. Third thing here is VPC. The fourth thing we'll tie up together, इसके साथ जोड़ेंगे वो सबनेट को जोड़ेंगे. ठीक है. अभी I have explained this that a region has one or two availability zones. One or more. One or more का मतलब क्या हुआ? दो कि तीन कि चार, anything, right? Understood? For example, जो मेरा रीजन है, माय रीजन नॉर्दर्न कैलिफोर्निया का, ओके, जिसे बोलते हैं यूएस वेस्ट. आई थिंक इट इज कॉल्ड वन. आई मे बी रॉन्ग, इट मे बी टू, बट यूएस वेस्ट वन. इसके अंदर ये क्या रीजन का नाम है? व्हाट इज इट? नेम ऑफ द रीजन. इट हैज गॉट टू अवेलेबिलिटी जोन्स एंड वील सी व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड. अपन चल के देखेंगे क्या बोलते हैं. ऐसे ही जो आपका जो यूएस के अंदर कितने रीजन है? यूएस के अंदर कितने रीजन है? देयर आर 4 रीजन्स. ओके, and we'll see what are those 4 regions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the point that I'm trying to say here is it is not necessary that every region has the same number of availability zones. They can have their own different number of availability zones, and it depends, on the requirement. कितने लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट आ रही है, हाउ मेनी पीपल आर रिक्वायरिंग टू क्रिएट अकाउंट्स, द कैपेसिटी कितनी की रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, अकॉर्डिंगली AWS creates availability zones. Is this clear? The concept of availability zone within the region?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next thing we are going to just talk about for a minute. We are going to talk about VPC. It stands for Virtual Private Cloud. Virtual Private Cloud. This we had discussed in the last session, but I am revising it again. Now, when you are creating when a user logs in, okay, that user is landing. कहाँ पहुंच रहा है? In the default VPC. Default VPC. Now you should get used to the default things. There is something like default VPC. There's a default security group. Yes. So default VPC is something that AWS creates for you by themselves. आगे जाके in the short term, in near future, we will learn how to create our own VPC. Okay, we will learn how to create that. Okay. Now, when we say a user logs in, okay, the user logs in and he lands up into here own VPC. I will show you how it looks. The next thing is when you are trying to create a VM. What is VM? VM is a general term, but in AWS terms, what do we call it? EC2. The person is trying to launch an EC2. EC2 is being created in one of the availability zones. Okay? We'll see to that
Yes,
also.
sir.
All right. Now, a quick recap of subnetting. Subnetting की बात करेंगे अपन. So let's say you are given a IP address of what class is this? Look at the first octet and tell me.
Sir, class B.
Correct. All right. And what does /16 signify?
Sir, class.
What does it signify? इसका मतलब ये 16 क्या बताता है?
सर ये नेटवर्क
नहीं है।
ये बताता है कि पहली जो 16 बिट्स हैं वो नेटवर्क के लिए हैं और बाकी जो 16 बिट्स हैं वो होस्ट के लिए हैं, बाकी नहीं। अगर आपको किसी को नहीं क्लियर है तो सबनेटिंग वाला वीडियो जाके देखो, चेक द recording for that, and if you don't find it, ask me, I'll share with you. Okay,
यस सर।
so now if this is a class B network, is it or not?
यस।
Has it been subnetted? इसकी सबनेटिंग हुई है कैसे? छोटे टुकड़ों में तोड़ा है क्या भी?
नो
नो
सर
सर।
नहीं तोड़ा है। अब अपन बात करते हैं, तो ये तो नेटवर्क हो गया, समझ में आ गया ना? 172.31.0.0 is a network, right? Slash 16, correct? And it has not been subnetted, इसको छोटे सबनेट्स में डिवाइड नहीं किया है. But now let us say I want to, if I do this, so first 8 bits plus 8 bits are network, is that correct?
यस सर यस सर
And these 8 bits
सर
are for host.
सर
Anybody saying something? Oh,
यस
okay,
सर सर किंजल को
okay,
ले
all right.
लीजिए बाहर
So let us just write these, expand these 8 and 8 for a short duration. I'm going to put these as this. What are these 8 bits? These are again 8 bits for host.
यस सर
Let me again modify this a little bit, and then again, basically this is a recap for you, but this is again the concept of subnetting that I taught you is getting applied here also. अब let us say कि पहली 4 bits मैंने borrow करी, okay, I am borrowing 4 bits, so how much does this become? 20? Yes or no?
यस सर 20
And then I'm going to mark the host bits as blue. ये कितनी हो गई?
सर 12
Right? And out of this we'll create, out of what? Out of these 4 we'll create subnets. Can we create subnets using these? Yes or
यस
no?
सर
So let's put the values. Okay. One 172.31.0000, right? 0001. And if somebody doesn't understand कि ये numbers कैसे हो रहे हैं, so go back and look at the video for number system. Yes or no?
यस।
Okay. And then you have what? I'm not going to make for all of them. I'm just giving an example here. If these are the remaining bits for host. And the method for finding out the Subnet number is what? Subnet number, if you have to find out, then set the whole what? The whole bits to 0.
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो जाएंगी, right? And so on. तो व्हाट, ये अभी अपन ने पहले के 4 सबनेट निकाले हैं, और भी बन सकते थे कॉम्बिनेशंस. You could have made more combinations also, right? What could be the combination? 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0, right? 0 1 1 1 and so on, right? But if you look at this, what does this give me? अगर मैं इसे shrink करूं इस वाले को, so what can I write this as? 172.31.0.0/20. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
31.16.0/20. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
172.31.32.
32.
So we are creating the subnets.
Yes, sir.
172.31.48.
48.
31.64
64.0.
and so on.
Yes, sir.
बन जाएंगे. Yes. So now we can say that our network was what? Slash 16 था. Yes.
Yes, sir.
हमने इसको अलग अलग टुकड़ों में तोड़ा. We broke it down into subnets. 31.0.0/16. 172.31.0.0/32. And like this, 172.31.0.0/48 and so on. हाँ कि नहीं? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can I call it a subnet 1? Subnet 2? Subnet 3? Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर जो लास्ट वाला है /48,
Sorry,
तो
my bad.
मतलब उसमें सारी 48.
No. Hold on. My bad.
/17, 18 ऐसे.
No. Okay. Thanks for picking it out. I made a mistake here. This is not like this. This is what it should be. 172. Let me fix this also. In fact, this is looking cluttered. So we created subnets 172.16. No, my bad. 31.0.0/16. Then we created 172.31.16.0/16. Then we created 172.31.32.0/ okay, again making a mistake here. These are
/16 के bits increase
20 beta.
borrow.
This is going to be 20. My bad.
Yes.
Okay. Managing space in here is making a little bit of a clutter, and that's what is confusing us. But this is clear. And so
Yes, sir.
on. अब ये सोचो कि हम इसे सबनेट 1 बोल रहे हैं, सबनेट 2 है, सबनेट 3. अब हम बोले कि ये जो हमारा नेटवर्क है, इसके अंदर हमने ये सबनेट बनाए और हर एक सबनेट को एक एजी को दे दिया. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
इजी है ना? ये थ्योरी समझ में आ गई?
Yes,
इज
sir.
द थ्योरी
Yes,
क्लियर
Yes,
टू
sir.
यू? नाउ द सेम थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट यू ऑन द कंसोल. AWS की कंसोल पे दिखाता हूँ. ठीक है?